How to fix Roblox content not accessible error. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we'll be discussing about fixing the Roblox content not accessible error. So this error may prompt you to update your content maturity settings to access certain experiences. To start, you have to visit the Roblox website, that is www.roblox.com, and sign in if you haven't already. Click on the gear icon in the upper right corner and then select settings. If you're using the Roblox app, select more from the side menu and then go to settings from there. Find privacy or privacy and content maturity section. Next, go to content maturity and adjust the slider to moderate. If you choose restricted, you will need to verify your identity, but this option allows access to all Roblox experiences. If you still can't play the experience, go to account info and verify your email address and phone number. Refresh the experience page and the content not accessible error regarding the content maturity settings should be resolved. So this was all about it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.